DevOps is an emerging discipline that is fast becoming a critical element of Agile methods. Let's take a look at how and why it works. In short, Agile teams develop functionality and create value for the business. Operations teams are the interface with the business and take over this functionality from the development team. When they deploy this functionality into production, and that is when the value is realized by the business. We can see here how a dev team delivers valuable features sprint after sprint after sprint. However, the operations team is only able to deploy them once after every 3 months. In other words, much of the value that was created by the development team was on hold and not able to be realized by the business. DevOps does, as you can see here, it combines the dev and ops team into synergistic process that ensures quicker deployment of the value created by the development team. Ops team are involved right from the process envisioning to initiation to build to testing. They provide the non-functional requirements and provide the infrastructure necessary for deploying the system upfront. As soon as the dev team has completed working software at the end of a sprint, the ops team ready to take over and set it up, ideally in automated fashion. In short, DevOps is the science of moving code from development to testing to staging and production environment, or in general from one environment to another in an automated and efficient manner. Agile teams cannot do this without strong support from DevOps. DevOps is supplemented by strong toolset related to build and deployment management system.